Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find password and security. Then let's scroll and tap on advanced options and localize encryption and credentials. At the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. We have to confirm it with our screen lock, and as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.